Hi. In this video, we explain how to get the direct banking app from the Appsource and install this in your sandbox environment via the extension management. Go and search for the extension management page and open the page. In the top ribbon of the page, you will a button called Appsource Gallery. Click this button to open the gallery. The Microsoft Appsource page will show you the available apps. Clicking Go to Appsource, this is the quickest way to install the direct banking app. The Microsoft Appsource is opening in your browser. Just search for IDIN or IDIN Direct Banking to find the needed app for installation. Depending on your interest and environment, choose the correct app. If you want to connect to Ponto, and you want to use direct banking with the Dutch telebanking localization, then choose Direct Banking NL. If you work with the W1, then the direct banking app is sufficient. The same is applicable for Cobase. Please note that you only can have a sandbox setup with a Ponto connection. For this video, we will install the Direct Banking NL. Hit the trial button to start the installation and choose the environment where you want to install the app. After the install, you can check the Environment Extension Management page to see the installed Direct Banking apps. You will see the installation of 3 apps: Direct Banking Base App, Direct Banking NL, and the IDIN App Management. You can now start a trial. Please check the related Direct Banking videos if you need help making your first connection.
IDIN. Simplify your workflow. Explore the perfect fit for your industry at idin.nl.